Everybody, welcome to this video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how we can delete our Facebook account, either permanently or temporarily. So go to setting, and then go to your Facebook information. Here you have the activation and deletion. So we click on this one. It show deactivate your account, permanently delete your account. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this one and then click continue. So keep messenger blah 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 deactivated. Download all your information. If you like to deactivate, you say okay, keep messenger deactivate. Instead you have to deactivate account. So reason for leaving, you can do whatever thing. So you click, you can say email opt out of receiving future email. You can do it whatever it is. Deactivate, you click deactivate now. So close, and now let us return back to our page. We have already deactivated that one, so we have to delete our Facebook page. So click delete our account. So the will ask you your password. You enter your password. You click continue. So they say you're really about to permanently delete your account. If you really ready to delete, click delete blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, you delete the account. So you're gonna sign in, and there they'll tell you that your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. If you log into Facebook within the next 30 days, you will have the option to cancel the deletion and receive any of the content or information you have added to your account. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Love, I share this video, and until then, see you. That's how you delete Facebook account.